Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build powerful automated workflows inside Systeme.io. While simple automation rules are great for one-off tasks, workflows allow you to build visual, multi-step customer journeys using delays and decisions. Let's dive in. First, navigate to the Automations tab in the main menu and click on Workflows. Click the Create button, give your workflow a name, something like Welcome Email Automation Workflow, and click Save. Once your workflow is created, click on the name to open the editor. Now let's see how the workflow works. Every workflow starts with a trigger. Click on Create Your First Trigger. This is the event that starts the whole process. There are tons of options here, like when someone buys a product, clicks an email link, or gets a specific tag. For this example, let's select Funnel Form Subscribed and choose our funnel, then choose your page. Now click on Create to create your first trigger. Now let's add our steps. Click the plus icon underneath your trigger. You have three choices: an action, a decision, or a delay. Let's start with an action. Select Subscribe to Campaign, choose your first email sequence, and click Create. Now, as soon as they opt in, they'll start receiving those emails. Next, we don't want to do anything else until they've had time to read those emails. So click the plus icon again and add a delay, set it to wait for 7 days and click Create. After 7 days, we want to check if they actually bought our product. Click the plus icon and add a decision. We'll use the filter settings to check if the contact has the customer tag. Click Choose Your Filter, then select Tag from the drop-down menu. In the next option, select Contact Tag Width, then select your customer tag from the drop-down menu. If you want to add another filter, simply click Add a Condition. You'll then see two options, and or. Let me explain both. If you add a condition inside and, the contact must meet every single condition you set in order to go down the yes path. For example, they must have the customer tag and the batch 1 student tag. If you add a condition inside OR, the contact only needs to meet at least one of the conditions. For example, they can have the customer and batch 1 student tags, or just the VIP tag, and they'll still go down the yes path. Once you've set up your decision, click Create. Now, here's where things get interesting. This decision splits your workflow into two paths, yes and no. If the answer is yes, meaning they bought the product, we can add an action on the yes path to unsubscribe them from the first sales campaign. Click the plus icon, select action, choose unsubscribe from campaign from the drop-down menu, and select your campaign. Then, add a second action right below it to subscribe them to a new customer onboarding campaign. As you can see, you can build a complete custom paths based on exactly how your contacts behave. Once your workflow is finished, you need to activate it. Exit the editor to go back to your workflow list. Hover over the three dots next to your workflow, click Activate and Confirm. If you ever need to stop it, hover over the three dots next to your workflow and click Deactivate. The system will ask you to choose between two options. You can either stop new contacts from entering while letting current contacts finish their flow, or you can completely cancel it and stop all scheduled tasks immediately. After selecting your option, click Confirm. Before we finish, here are two important pro tips. If you ever edit a delay step, say changing it from 7 days to 14 days, that change only affects new contacts entering that step. Anyone already waiting in that delay will still complete their original 7-day timer. And that's it. You now know how to build advanced automated workflows to scale your business.